Okay, now let's understand what is perfect square. So square of some natural number is equal to the natural number, then we say it's a perfect square. Now how to define? Like 2 raised to the power of 2. This is a square of the natural number which is equal to 4. Like 9 is equal to 3 raised to the power of 2. This indicates? This is indicating that 1, 4, 9, 16 is a perfect square, because this number what we have got as a result, it's a square of the natural number. So we can say that if number is multiplied by itself creates new result that will be perfect square. That will be perfect square. Same, 2 raised to the power of 2 equal to 4. Now suppose if we want to test the perfect square, how do we test it perfect square? So for that we have to know how that particular number is a what kind of number it is. See, if it is a product of the pairs of equal factors, do you understand? Now pairs of equal factors, pairs of equal factors means like 3 into 3. This is a pair of equal factors. Now again this is multiplied, 2 into 2. Okay, now again we have got it, that is 5 into 5. So this is called a pairs of equal factors. These are the pairs of equal factors. Okay, now multiplying of these we get a number, like this will be 9 into 4 into 25. So what will be the now 36 into 25, so this will be equal to 900. So this 900 we can say it's a perfect square number, because this number, this product, how we have got it? By multiplying of the same product. These are the pair of the products. So we have got this number by multiplying the pair of the products. So this is a pair, these are the pair of the products. After multiplying of this pair of products we get a number. Now this number is a perfect square. This we can say perfect square. Fine. So this is called a perfect square. Now another number, suppose we want to check it that is